Hello everybody. Yeah, we decided to just make our own chips, didn't we, Doreen?
Yeah, we did, Dave, and you made them yourself, didn't you? You even cut them all yourself.
I did. I made them by my own fair hands. I made them lovely golden chips myself. So we're going to have them with some cheese.
Yeah, and I'm going to make some gravy as well to put over the top. We love chips, cheese, and gravy up here.
Can't wait. It sounds delicious, Doreen.
So, Dave, what are you doing now?
Right, Doreen. So this is my speciality, by the way. So I've got my chips made, lovely chips, didn't I?
Lovely, Dave.
So yeah, just sprinkle the cheese on, and then I put
Yeah, and you made your gravy too, haven't you?
yeah, I made it.
So, and you've got gravy there.
That's right, Doreen. Yeah, I've made my gravy. So don't worry, you'll get some as well. I've made two of them. Don't worry, I've got another batch of chips on the way. So I just melt the cheese with the gravy.
All day. I can't wait. It looks absolutely delicious.
It is, Doreen. That's why you married me, isn't it?
Well, it went for your money, that's for sure, Dave.